This is a case of prostatic urethral calculus. This is bladder, and here we suspect this could be a prostatic urethral calculus. But sometime what happens, this can be a calcification. To understand that, we are scanning this patient transperineal route. Pause कर 2 सेकंड ठेव. Pause. So here we are scanning it in transperineal route. See how clearly it is seen. So this is bladder, this is prostate, and this here is a prostatic urethral calculus. Pause kar. So here we can see this is a bladder, this is a calculus, and this is a urethra. So this is how we can see a prostatic urethral calculus. Pause kar. So we take an QB X-ray. Here you can see this seems to be a ureteric calculus, prostatic ureteric calculus, but now it is behind the pubic symphysis. So see, बंद करा था. So see, here we have 4 objects. Okay, this is our screen or cassette. This is our object 1, that is pubic symphysis. This is object 2, that is calculus, and this is a X-ray tube. So this was our first X-ray where we got the rays were coming like this, and we got the X-ray of calculus and pubic symphysis like this, overimposed or overlapped over each other. If this is object 1, this is object 2. Here we want to move this calculus caudally. So listen the concept first. If we move the X-ray source cranially, so like this, and X-ray is coming like this, so the shadow of this part will come here, and the calculus shadow would come here. So to move the object, these two objects, to move object near to X-ray source caudally, we need to move source cranially, and vice versa. अगर इसको cranially लेके जाना है तो source should move caudally. Like अगर इसी इसको अगर अपन यहाँ से शूट कर दे तो इसका शैडो, ये कैसेट है तो यहाँ पे ये शैडो यहाँ पे आ जाता, ये ऑब्जेक्ट 1 का, एंड इसका शैडो यहाँ पे चला जाता था. सो दिस इज अ कंसेप्ट. सो व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, आपको देखना है कि विच इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. So there can be object 1 or 2, like this 1 or 2. Then decide where you want to move it. Third, decide whether it is near to X-ray or away from X-ray. Like this is nearer to, in comparison, source, object 1, object 2 and X-ray. So whether the object of your interest, whether it is nearer to this or away from this. This could be in this situation, object 2 is near to X-ray tube and object 1 is away from X-ray tube. So likewise the rule is simple. If your object of interest is near to X-ray फॉलो दिस रूल। उल्टा होता है उसमें, क्रेनियली लेके जाना है तो एक्सरे काउडली लेके जाओ, और ऑब्जेक्ट को काउडली लेके जाना है तो एक्सरे क्रेनियली लेके जाओ। और इफ योर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट इज अवे फ्रॉम एक्सरे in comparison to other object, then move it in the same direction. if उसको ऊपर लेके जाना है तो एक्सरे ट्यूब भी ऊपर लेके जाओ, दैट्स इट। इसके उल्टा चलता है वो, दैट्स इट। सो आई विल रिपीट, द कंसेप्ट इज ऑब्जेक्ट नियरर टू एक्सरे सोर्स will move caudally if source is moves cranially, and the object nearer to X-ray tube will move cranially if source moves caudally. Opposite direction. Object nearer to X-ray source will move in opposite direction. And how you have to apply it? Then find which object you want to move. There are two objects between X-ray tube and source screen. So find out which object is your object of interest, whether object 1 or 2, then decide where you wanted to move it, cranially or caudally. Here our object of interest was calculus, which was nearer to X-ray tube, and we wanted to move it downside because it was situated nearer to this part. So it was easy to, अगर ये यहाँ पे रहता तो मैं इसको ऊपर लेके जाता था। तो ये डिसाइड करना है, वो तो मैनुअल जजमेंट है। आइदर वे आप बहुत ज्यादा एंगुलेशन देंगे तो ये ऊपर निकलेगा ही निकलेगा, लेकिन वो इजी नहीं था। तो ये नीचे था, अपने को नीचे लेके जाना था। सो डिसाइड वेयर यू वांट टू मूव इट, क्रेनियली और काउडली, देन डिसाइड वेदर इट इज नियरर क्रेनियली और काउडली। हियर आवर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट वाज कैलकुलस, व्हिच वाज नियरर टू एक्सरे ट्यूब, एंड वी वांटेड टू मूव इट डाउन साइड बिकॉज इट वाज सिचुएटेड नियरर टू दिस पार्ट। सो इट वाज इजी टू, अगर ये यहाँ पे रहता तो मैं इसको ऊपर लेके जाता था। तो ये डिसाइड करना है, वो तो मैनुअल जजमेंट है। आइदर वे आप बहुत ज्यादा एंगुलेशन देंगे तो ये ऊपर निकलेगा ही निकलेगा, लेकिन वो इजी नहीं था। तो ये नीचे था, अपने को नीचे लेके जाना था। सो डिसाइड वेयर यू वांट टू मूव इट, क्रेनियली और काउडली, देन डिसाइड वेदर इट इज नियरर और अवे फ्रॉम एक्सरे। सो दिस वाज माय ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। देन we wanted to, step 2, we wanted to move it caudally. Then third, decide whether it is near to X-ray or near to screen, away from this X-ray. So it was near to X-ray. It was near to X-ray where we wanted to move it caudally. So we moved tube upside cranially, and result we expected would be like this. This calculus was coming down this. Pause to screen. Pause. So the same patient which is lying prone, so calculus being object of interest is near to the screen, so you want to move calculus to lower side, so angle of tube is given cranially. अगर पेशेंट उल्टा सोता था तो ये क्रेनियल को अपने को काउडल करना पड़ता था। यहाँ पे देखिए, सोर्स, पेशेंट एंड स्क्रीन। So I'll show you the result. So to revise, this was our first X-ray, and so this is another way to see the stone. So here you can see calculus is behind the pubic symphysis, and now the result of the position which I saw you, which I shown you, are like this. So this was pubic symphysis, and this is the stone which has came down and can now easily be seen on X-ray in another at the settings. So this is the stone which is seen. Also this hold true for lateral view also.